This is a 2024 Polaris Razor XP1000. You got your normal speakers that come with this. This is a premium edition so it comes with a stage 1 radio in it. So obviously it's down here underneath your screen. Speaker there, speaker here, and yeah, we should painted it up, tore down the more 2-lane roads. We either stole every sign or left them in bullet holes. It wasn't nowhere as bad as we all said that it was. Yeah, looking back at it now, this town's been too good to us. This town's been too good to us. This town's been too good to us. That's it for speaker test for the 2024 Razor XP1000. For stage 1, it sounds very good for what it comes with stock. You can add more speakers, subwoofer, amplifier, anything that you want. So stay tuned for that, because I'll be adding some of that stuff eventually. But for now, if you're wondering about the sound, it's sweet for stage 1.